trying to see if I can spot anything through the middle, making a move over there. Like that guy.
Yep.
That's a legendary mod Henry, by the way.
B-Ray, on your small ones, do you take that direction sense? Skill? What's that?
No, I take priority target 1, 2, last stand and adrenaline rush 3. Take demo expert, superintendent 4. I take or 3. I'm not sure if I take demo. 4 you take
IFHE.
Oh, damn it, he's fat.
Yeah, 4 you take IFHE, AFT.
Oh, but I hit him. Ha! Fuck you, bitch.
No, not concealment. So yeah,
He's gonna ground.
3 is demo superintendent, 4 is IFHE, and AFT.
I'm spotted over here.
So you have 11.
I'm sorry, I'm the Kremlin.
Yeah, they have somebody going mid.
It's okay.
It must be the. Well, I don't know who it's gonna be. Why didn't they? Okay, I don't know what they did.
There.
Z52.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
Fuck him up.
Get him. Come on.
Oh, hey, both of these are over at C.
Nice.
He didn't like that hit.
Come on, kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
Oh, I see
Fuck
that. Yeah,
him
you're
up.
right.
4,800. Come on.
Landed 6 hits on him.
Is it Burgone?
900.
Burgone's pushing in.
He's got to be really low.
Might hit Torps on that
4K.
DM.
I got 4K on that DD.
Oh, fucking instant
I can
fire.
radar him, maybe she's turning back.
Good
Okay, Zamar,
times.
shoot the Bourgogne. Kite away.
Okay. Yep, I'm getting ready here.
Oh, that DM and that Kleber must have just missed torpedoes.
Alright, I'm spotted again. So I think they're over here.
No, I don't think they're that close. It might be down here.
Something's out there. Probably just 52.
Or over here.
No, not yet.
Because smoke is covering my front.
What's
Make sure you can help me out with these.
Bourgeon doing something crazy.
Yeah, Saints, you should fuck him up.
He's gonna get into the cap, I think, from this side.
I don't have radar right now. Just so you know, B-Ray.
Okay.
Let's mess this guy up.
Oh, good.
What's Kremlin's range?
I think he's moving back towards you here with the
Around
Z52,
20K.
Saints.
That's fine. He's got like what?
20
3,000
kilometers
HP?
for Kremlin.
Yeah, he's under 4K.
Bourgogne's closest to me.
Just shifted hard this way.
Bourgogne's
RBF.
backing.
I'm no longer spotted. He might be behind the island over there by you.
Yeah, my RPF shifted
So down
dramatically to right here.
Located.
Fuck is
I'm just
that
gonna go
shit?
wide
We're going
guard.
down, guys. Let's go.
We just need to defend.
Yeah. I'm gonna go
Z's
wide.
and C, I think.
Yeah, Z's and
can you
C.
radar
Z's
it,
and
Steve?
C. Yep.
Can you radar it?
Thank you.
Is he out? Can we spot him? Can we kill him?
Okay, there he is.
1800, guys.
730.
700.
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding. How's he not dead?
18 more seconds.
I got robbed.
Oh, Kleber is not wide, B-Ray.
Okay.
They're making a push.
We got to kill this guy. Come on, somebody.
How
7
long?
more seconds. 7,
I don't have shots on him.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Yikes.
Cross your fingers. Nope, didn't hit
Kill
him.
the battleship. Nice hit on the HF.
Nice, nice, nice.
He wants to go towards the island.
Nice hit. 3,000. Come on.
That was me, just so you don't forget.
Just saying.
Come on, guys. I got some low ships. Let's get rid of them. Let's win this game.
$8,000 shots.
Henry should
Fire
be
Hunter.
dead, maybe. Just
I
kidding.
got Kleber here.
Okay, you don't have hardly any backup.
14k.
I need to spot the Henry.
Gonna hit 2 on
the
the
Henry ran
Kremlin.
aground.
I'm gonna have the Henry spotted here in a second.
Okay,
Okay.
yeah. Good.
2
So you ready
torps
to
on
shoot?
Kremlin. Kremlin
ready.
damage control.
There's Henry.
Kremlin's making a move
Yep,
dramatically
see
here.
Let's start moving into C.
No, not yet. We don't need to.
Don, will you kill the Henry?
Yes.
Boom.
Okay.
Good job.
The
Good
Burgoyne
job.
Next.
I've got radar in 30 seconds. We need to hit the Z52 first when I kill the or when I hit the radar.
The 52 is extremely
RPF
low. 700
here.
HP, Burgoyne's low.
Come on, guns.
Kremlin's
15
lit.
seconds on radar. 10. Undetected.
There's the Berg.
Okay, he's going around wide. 2 seconds on radar. Radar going up. Des Moines.
Yeah, they're
There's
super
52.
low.
There he is.
Can we kill the Burgoyne?
I don't have shots.
I don't have shots.
Fire on the Kremlin.
Shoot the Des Moines if you can.
I'm shooting a blind shot. I don't know if it'll hit him.
Oh, there's the Z.
Nice hits.
Yeah, but he's way
Small and you have shots on the Z? Shots on the Z?
I'll try it here.
3 seconds, 2 seconds, we're gonna lose him.
Yeah.
They still have to come to us. Henry hasn't been spotted while me. There's Des Moines.
You want CV? Are you fine with where I Saints?
I'll probably spot the DM here in a second. Stand by.
I'll be shooting it.
30k to that, 5k to that Kremlin.
You want to pop a radar, Blyjay? See what Des Moines, see if the Henry's pushing up.
Yeah,
I just got located.
Z52 is pushing in.
radar is up.
Okay.
We really needed to kill that Z.
We will.
Henry pushing.
Okay, I'm gonna go help you.
Okay. When you spot
Henry's
it,
pushing
when
up.
when you spot it, let me know because I will.
Is that the morning gonna get spotted?
I will smoke.
No,
Yes,
not the one
I gotta-
in C. He's
I gotta
still
push
behind
into
island.
Clever's pushing this
Because I'm gonna
side
get
too.
twerped.
There he is. There he is.
Kill the Burgoyne. Kill the Burgoyne.
Okay, I got it. Shots out on him.
I'm going dark. He's turning away.
DM is moving forward
They're
now.
making a push over here. They have 3 ships. Clever's over here.
Clever is there too?
Yeah. Clever was shooting at me. AP.
We have to retreat then.
I'll
Okay,
lose.
so retreat it is.
Yeah.
I'm detected.
So Clever got me spotted, I wonder.
Yeah, Clever is.
Come on, 7K.
Kill that Burgoyne.
Losing B-ball.
Lost sight of him.
We really needed to kill that Z.
Being radared. DM at B is radaring.
I gotta cut away.
Yep.
Oh, 14. Come on, kill the Burgoyne.
He's not spotted.
We don't have any
Torpedo on
spotting, that's the
Kremlin?
problem.
I have no. I
Fucking
can't see him.
We gotta get some spotting on that side.
Okay, if the Yamato comes into the cap to contest it, then when this radar goes down, I can go spot it.
Yeah.
They just sit on the island.
Yamato's just
just-
gonna push right into C. Their DDs, their DDs are far enough away where it's not gonna be an issue. There's a
Kremlin damage con,
Yeah,
by
yeah.
the way,
Burgoyne,
in
Burgoyne,
mid.
Burgoyne.
Yeah. I'm launching some shots.
DD's here, guys. Pushing out.
$1,500.
I hit him. I don't know if it's gonna be
Yeah.
enough.
You want me to
gotta-
go back, D-Ray, or you okay?
We just need. We just gotta go.
Wait. I'm
We
getting in.
got to guard A, and hopefully they win C.
Do you need?
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
Ah,
Good job.
thank fuck.
Shoot the Kremlin.
Don't get out. Don't get out.
Clever's shadowing me.
Yeah, don't cut
Torpedo
the
on
cap yet,
Kremlin,
don't cut
no
the cap yet.
flood.
Till we have, till we're in.
We gotta kill the Kremlin.
I got
I'm
multiple
spotted.
racks on either side of the Kremlin. He has to just stay bow in.
No longer spotted.
We win right now if everything stays the same.
Honestly, Saints, we're fine. I wouldn't.
Well, I know his Hydro's not over.
I'm gonna go ahead and drop a smoke and curve it for blackjack.
No,
Yeah,
wait.
thank you.
Where are you going, Saints?
Well, I was gonna go mid, try to torp the Kremlin, but I don't really need to.
Yeah, that Des Moines can pop his radar and you'll be SOL.
I'll spot Kremlin in a second.
No, they're not actually.
Come on, finish the Kremlin.
Sorry, you spotted?
Nope.
Their Z52 is
I'm
smoking
just
the
not sure
Kremlin.
if this Des Moines is gonna ambush me around this.
Can we
corner.
radar the
Radar. I have
Z52?
radar.
Confirm,
No,
radar
the Des Moines is still in the island.
Zar, kite.
Radar up.
Kite? Okay. There's no one over
Z52,
here.
Z52, Z52.
Yeah, he's
Alright.
dead. He's dead. He's dead. Should be dead.
Boom.
Hey.
Good.
Yeah, there's nobody over on the
Radar.
910
I'm
line.
radar.
Yeah. There's,
Okay, Zar, you can move up.
okay. Yeah. There's those.
DM is firing at your broadside from C.
Gonna
Radar
need
to
a
the Des Moines.
two.
Can you shoot the Des Moines, Zar?
Yeah. Yes, I can.
Torp it on Kremlin. Flood.
Nice.
He's bleeding.
Is he out of repairs?
He's out of repairs.
Nice.
Goodbye, Kremlin.
Nice. Good job, guys.
Good
Oh,
job.
fuck. You got one more salvo off on Blackjack. That sucks. Ah, he missed. All right.
All right.
Alright.
CBs, kill the Des Moines. But do whatever you need.
Yeah.
Spotted.
Kill him.
Clever's pushing.
Move up, yeah.
That was a terrible shot.
It's fucking island. Oh no! Damn it! Now he's broadside. Now he's making fun of me. Ow!
He's rushing out. Yeah.
Come on, Yamato, get him.
Well, he's got to wait to reload since he hit the fucking island.
I think this DM is moving out here, into the middle by RPF.
Oh, my
What?
I don't know where my shells went. That was not legendary mod dispersion.
Don't worry about it, I got him.
Nice. Good job. Good
guys,
job.
Win. We traded HP well. So, like, are y'all actually smoke pushing, or what are y'all doing on the other side?
Just
Pushing is very hard in clan battles, especially playing good teams and coordinates.